Most people don't know that there is a type of spider called the peacock spider that is known for its elaborate courtship dance. The peacock spider, which is found in Australia, is named for the brightly colored markings on its abdomen that resemble a peacock's feathers. During courtship, the male peacock spider performs an intricate dance that involves lifting its legs and waving them in the air, while flashing its colorful markings to attract a female. The peacock spider's courtship dance has become a viral sensation on the internet, and has even inspired a subculture of fans who create videos and artwork featuring the spider. Most people don't know that there is a type of ant called the leafcutter ant that has the ability to cultivate its own food. The leafcutter ant, which is found in Central and South America, cuts pieces of leaves from plants and carries them back to its nest, where they are chewed up and mixed with a fungus that the ants cultivate for food. The leafcutter ant has a complex social structure, with different types of ants performing specialized roles such as foraging, caring for the young, and defending the colony. The leafcutter ant is considered an important part of the ecosystem in its native habitat, and has inspired scientific research into the evolution of social behavior in insects. Most people don't know that there is a type of fish called the archerfish that is known for its unique hunting technique. The archerfish, which is found in Southeast Asia and Australia, shoots jets of water from its mouth to knock insects off of overhanging branches and into the water, where they can be easily captured. The archerfish has excellent aim and can hit targets up to several feet away with its water jets. This unique hunting technique has captured the interest of scientists studying animal behavior and has even inspired the development of new technologies such as underwater robots. Most people don't know that there is a species of mushroom called the chicken of the woods that is often used as a meat substitute. The chicken of the woods mushroom, which is found in temperate forests around the world, has a meaty texture and a mild flavor that is similar to chicken. It is often used in vegetarian and vegan cooking as a substitute for chicken or other meats. The chicken of the woods mushroom is also valued for its medicinal properties, and has been used in traditional medicine to treat a variety of ailments. Most people don't know that there is a type of shark called the goblin shark that has a long, protruding snout. The goblin shark, which is found in deep waters around the world, has a distinctive appearance that has earned it the nickname living fossil. The goblin shark uses its protruding snout to sense the electrical signals given off by its prey, allowing it to locate and catch its food in the dark depths of the ocean. Despite its frightening appearance, the goblin shark is not considered a threat to humans, as it lives in deep waters and is rarely encountered by people. Most people don't know that there is a species of bird called the watseen that has a unique digestive system. The watseen, which is found in the Amazon rainforest, has a stomach that is specially adapted to break down the tough leaves it eats. This stomach contains bacteria that help to ferment the leaves, producing a foul-smelling gas that gives the bird its nickname, stinkbird. The watseen is also known for its distinctive appearance, with a punk-like hairstyle of feathers on its head and a bright blue face. Most people don't know that there is a species of ant called the leafcutter ant that is capable of farming fungus. The leafcutter ant, which is found in Central and South America, cuts leaves and carries them back to its underground colony, where it uses the leaves to cultivate fungus. The ants feed on the fungus, which provides them with the nutrients they need to survive. Leafcutter ants are also known for their ability to create vast underground networks, with some colonies covering an area of up to 5,000 square meters. Most people don't know that there is a species of jellyfish called the immortal jellyfish that can potentially live forever. The immortal jellyfish, which is found in the waters of the Mediterranean and around Japan, is capable of reverting back to its juvenile state after reaching maturity. This means that when it faces environmental stresses such as disease or starvation, it can transform back into its younger self and start life anew. While the jellyfish is not truly immortal, it is capable of surviving for an indefinite period of time, making it one of the longest living creatures on the planet. Most people don't know that trees can communicate with each other. Trees have a complex system of roots that allow them to communicate with each other through chemical and electrical signals. When a tree is attacked by a pest, for example, it can send out warning signals to nearby trees, alerting them to the danger. The other trees can then produce chemicals to defend themselves against the pest. Trees can also share nutrients with each other through their roots, helping each other to grow and survive. This communication system is known as the Wood Wide Web and is a fascinating example of the interconnectedness of nature. Most people don't know that the human nose can detect over 1 trillion different scents. While humans are often considered to have a relatively poor sense of smell compared to other animals, our noses are actually incredibly powerful. The olfactory bulb, which is responsible for processing smells, is part of the brain's limbic system, which is also involved in memory and emotion. This is why certain scents can evoke strong memories and emotions. The ability to detect a vast array of different scents is also thought to have played an important role in human evolution, helping our ancestors to locate food, avoid predators, and find potential mates. Most people don't know that there is a species of jellyfish that is essentially immortal. Turritopsis dohrnii, also known as the immortal jellyfish, is able to transform its cells back into a juvenile state when it experiences physical stress, injury, or old age. This process, known as transdifferentiation, allows the jellyfish to essentially reset its biological clock and start its life cycle anew. While the jellyfish can still die from disease or predation, it is the only known animal that is capable of reverting to a younger form in this way, leading some to suggest that it could potentially hold the key to unlocking the secret of human aging. Most people don't know that the Great Wall of China is not visible from space with the naked eye, despite the popular myth that it is. In fact, astronauts have reported that it is difficult to see even from low Earth orbit, and it is certainly not visible from the Moon, as some have claimed. The wall is a remarkable engineering feat, but its size and height are not enough to make it visible from such great distances. Most people don't know that the common cold is caused by a virus, not cold weather. Despite the name, being cold or exposed to cold temperatures does not cause the common cold. Instead, it is spread through contact with an infected person or contaminated surface. Most people don't know that the X in X-ray actually stands for unknown. When Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen discovered the radiation that he named X-rays in 1895, he didn't know what it was, so he simply referred to it as X. The name stuck, and we still use it today. Most people don't know that the human nose can detect over 1 trillion different scents. The human nose is much more sensitive than we think, and can distinguish between an incredible range of smells that we are often unaware of. Most people don't know that the Eiffel Tower in Paris, France can actually grow up to 6 inches during hot weather due to the iron expanding in the heat. One thing that many people may not know about books is that the color and type of paper used can have a significant impact on the reading experience. For example, some paper is designed to minimize glare and improve readability, while other paper may be chosen for its tactile qualities or to create a particular aesthetic effect. Additionally, the way that text is formatted on the page can also affect how easy or difficult it is to read, with factors like font size, line spacing, and margins all playing a role in the overall reading experience. One thing that many people may not know about cars is that the placement of the steering wheel can vary depending on the country where the car was manufactured. For example, in most countries, including the United States, the steering wheel is located on the left side of the vehicle, while in countries like the United Kingdom, Japan, and Australia, the steering wheel is on the right side. This can make driving in a foreign country challenging for those who are used to driving on the opposite side of the road. One thing that many people may not know about chairs is that they have been around for thousands of years and have been used by people of all ages and cultures. In fact, some of the earliest known chairs were used by Egyptian royalty and were made from ebony or ivory. Today, chairs come in a wide variety of shapes and sizes, with designs ranging from simple and functional to highly decorative and ornate. Additionally, the way that chairs are designed can have a significant impact on factors like ergonomics, comfort, and posture. One thing that many people may not know about clocks is that the first mechanical clocks were developed in the Middle Ages and used a pendulum to regulate the movement of the clock hands. Before this, most timekeeping devices relied on the movement of the sun or other celestial bodies to determine the time of day. Today, clocks come in a wide variety of styles and designs, from traditional analog clocks to digital clocks and smartwatches that can track a variety of metrics like heart rate and steps taken. Additionally, some clocks are designed to be highly accurate and precise, such as atomic clocks that can measure time to within a billionth of a second.